Welcome to CaliforniaAutomated.com, your way to connect to the drone industry through education and businesses throughout the state of California. We have California Drone Connect, which connects students to college campuses and universities and to business partners and industry partners throughout the state. We've taken over 100 careers that people are doing right now in the drone industry and categorized them into 14 industry sectors. Each of these pages gives valuable information that can help you to get involved in the career of your choice. But the drone industry doesn't just start at colleges and universities. We are highlighting information on kindergarten through 12th grade and how STEM and the arts programs are using drones with students as young as 5 years old. CaliforniaAutomated.com also has a calendar that will not only connect you to local events in Orange County and the Los Angeles area, but will connect you to major drone industry events nationwide. Find something you're passionate about, apply drones to it, and get involved today with CaliforniaAutomated.com.